Spice as the #1 reggae dancehall song in the world.
That it's a big thing. It's a big thing. So if you want to go like it's a small thing, it's a big moment. It's a big moment in dancehall. It's have to talk about.
#1 trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now Spice song go down there with Shaggy and Sean Paul, of course. You know what I mean? It's a trend #1 on YouTube in Jamaica, and it's #1 in a lot of places, and it's #2 in Canada and UK. And Spice is happy she took to her Instagram to tell everybody thanks, and I have some of the clips to show you. So take a look at this. Here goes.
I'm not only #1 in the USA. I have the #1 reggae dancehall song in Netherlands. Let me go again. I have the #1 reggae dancehall song in Israel. Israel with Jesus. Let me get up out of my bed. But me, Grace, to get up out of my bed. And you can't trick me. Me in my bedroom, now make me go downstairs, down which part my fridge there, and turn up the song loud in the scheme, and the people them call police for me. You can't trick me, but me get up out of my bed. Me have the #1 reggae song of Israel. #1 of Netherlands. #1 of Israel. #1 of USA. God. I feel like it's a dibby God. And I feel like God is a dibby idiot God. I'm #2 in Canada. I'm #2 in the UK. Okay? Let's talk about it. Let's really fucking talk about it. Because if you're now go on iTunes, go look and see, say, me, Grace Hamilton, they beside Bob Marley. That's your problem, but me, I gotta tell about it and make sure say you hear. Me, I gotta post it 40, 50, 15 times and make sure say you see. Yeah. Bob Marley. Me, they beside Bob Marley. Pan charts. Crazy. I mean if I talk about it.
So I definitely have to say congrats to Spice. She put in a lot of effort into the song, promoting it and all, and see now she reap the rewards. You know what I mean? Up till this morning, she did an interview with Smile Jamaica. That's just one of the many where she mentioned, so she have line up Swede overseas. Yes, she do that too. So then our next part now, she got talk about, you know what I mean, even flying to Miami to fix up on the album.
Listen, my day warm now look good for my bed. This is not no eat that bed. I'm not still in bed here for days now. Today the first me I come back in my bed. I have the #1 song in the world, reggae song in the world. I'm could lie down in my bed and cock up my foot. You just see me post one video with Shaggy and Shaggy no live in Atlanta, Miami him there. Him say someone want fix on the album, I buy plane ticket and fly out. Me not itch. Me not sleep. 3 days now. Me not see my bed. I work hard. Uno not take it away from me. Uno not tell me say me not fit talk about it. Uno not tell me say words not for come out of my clean mouth, my white teeth, my pink tongue. Thank you guys. Many come. It's not one, I not 2 times, I not 3 times. I have fans are foreign when I really know the depths of the fight when I get. Them don't really follow up the mix up and the blem. I know I have some real fan when know we did themselves. So them stab me, them chop me, them shot me, them crap me, them bite me, them pinch me, them spit on me, them do the things, them drag me, them draw me. But them stand up with me, so wanna make me come on live just to say thank you. Cause wanna ride with me till the wheel pop off. Never know. Yeah, that's why them not like me. Them not like me because I Uno. Them not like me because I don't care what I do, don't care what them do. Uno they see them way and say a Spice. I wanna make them not like me.
So Spice appear her respect to Shaggy and Sean Paul, because she has saying a dancehall there's a lot of segregation and a lot of artists are saying they now work with each other. And she has said Shaggy and Sean Paul never really have a reason to do a song with her. Them just do it from them goodness of them art, if you understand. So she definitely has a big them up, you know what I mean? She has said it's an iconic moment for having two of them on one song. You see me? So hear what she has say.
Let's take the time out to talk about Sean Paul and Shaggy. It's not like they had to do it or had any reason specific for record a song together or with me. But the man them do it. The man them come together and unite in that. It's a big thing. It's a big thing. So if you want to go like it's a small thing, it's a big moment. It's a big moment in dancehall. It's have to talk about. Let's talk about how Shaggy and Sean Paul come together and show us say we can come together because we don't love live bad with each other. We don't love fight against each other. We don't love bring down each other. It's a big moment. It's a big moment. So if we don't want to go like it's a small moment, it's a big moment. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. My song is still on #1 and trending right now in Jamaica. It's 2 million views. It's the #1 reggae dancehall song in the world. #1 in Netherlands. #1 in Israel. #1 at some other place where me not really know. Where me not even remember to talk about. It's #2 in Canada. It's #2 in the UK. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about the things them.
So now in the last part, you know, she done celebrate and she said she going to take a shower. But me just put that piece here in this video because that piece is really funny. You see me, I say, Spice says she has shown her a nice clean bathroom and what she going to do with her nice clean man later on when she take a shower and all of that. You see me? So, me know say that piece here going to make you laugh. You make me laugh, so me don't know still. So take a look at this. Here goes.
Me, I go wash off my clean body and lie down in my clean bed. Yeah. I'm probably wind to my clean song with my clean man and him clean dick. I'm gonna do the things them. But I'm gonna do the things them. I'll go out with myself because I don't go out like I know I'm happy. I'm after happy. I'm after happy. I'm gonna take off towel and show them my clean bathroom. What shower? Look at bathroom. Look how my nice clean bathroom. I wait for me for shower, lie down in my good bed. Look pan clean tile. Look pan 2 blue sponge. One for Grace and one for Justin. Watch clean panty in the corner. Oh my bed. I love you guys.
Yeah, people. So once again, congratulations to Spice. Big her up on her #1, her achievements, them, right? And I look forward to hear the rest of song them on the album. And she said thank you to all our fans. Them. She said thank you a whole heap of time. You see what I say? So big up Spice. Everybody wanna stay safe out there. If it's their first time subscribe, thanks to all of the people that have been subscribed. Stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.